Hi, my name is Ashley, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Oradentum before you actually buy it. The pros, the cons, and whether it's really worth your money or not. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Oradentum is be careful with the website you're going to buy from, because Oradentum is only sold on the official website. Because of the high demand, many people are getting fake versions of Oradentum without even realizing it. That can seriously harm your health, waste your money, and keep you from getting the results you're looking for. So always double check that you're buying from the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is Oradentum, and does it actually work? The answer is yes. Oradentum has helped thousands of users, and it will work for you too. After many laboratory tests, researchers identified that there is a natural formula with powerful ingredients like vitamin C, vitamin E, zinc, biotin, magnesium, manganese, alpha-lipoic acid, taurine, and several botanical extracts such as banaba, licorice, cinnamon, and more. These components work together to target the root causes of poor oral health, helping to strengthen teeth, support gum health, eliminate bad breath, and promote a cleaner, healthier mouth overall. Whether you're dealing with bleeding gums, sensitive teeth, persistent bad breath, or frequent dental issues, Oradentum was designed to give you comprehensive oral support from the inside out. No more relying on chemical-based mouthwashes or costly treatments. This is a natural formula that supports total dental wellness. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Oradentum, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Oradentum for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for Oradentum to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the second month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, Oradentum has no side effects since it is natural. So, I wanted to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the website you're buying Oradentum from, and remember, I've placed the link to the official website in the description of this video or in the first pinned comment. And also, if you do buy the product, follow the treatment exactly and take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I also hope that Oradentum actually helps you a lot to improve your life, just as it has already improved the lives of thousands of people around the world.